Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today I have two shopping events to attend to, and the first one will be in QC area. So I'm just gonna have like two separate videos for this one. So if you want to watch the first part of this vlog, I'll have the link in the information box. So we're gonna go shopping in this new display store. It's called On Display, and I'll have all the details down in the information box. So if you want to watch that vlog, go to the information box. And then later on this afternoon or evening, we're gonna go over to Rustans in Makati. There's gonna be like a big beauty sale over there, so we're gonna check it out. Sobrang dami daw good stuff happening and a lot of activities too. And then I think I actually really should squeeze in dentist time. Sakit. Because if you remember, I went to the dentist to get a root canal and then permanent pasta na siya. Pero it started getting painful again kagabi. Actually kahapon. So, ayun, it hurts when I bite and I don't want to go to Korea with this painful tooth. Kaya papaayos ko siya. If hindi kaya tonight kasi, tomorrow. Medyo nag-hesitate akong pumunta ng dentist in between the two events kasi nga baka, di ba, ayusin siya and then baka sumakit or magmaga and then I won't be able to vlog tonight. So, siguro tomorrow is the safest time to go. I had pasta for breakfast. I had the usual, yung sobrang bilis lang lutuin. Yun, mabilis lang kasi pero medyo walang lasa yung kanina. I'm using my Teddy Blake bag today and I already have the Benefit keychain that Benefit Beauty gave me during my 100k celebration at their store in Trinoma. Thank you so much, Benefit. Sobrang ganda na to, guys. I'm not really sure if it's for sale though, so... Alright guys, so binigyan kami na activity map. So, there's a lot to do here actually. Sobrang dami pwedeng gawin, like all of that. First 200 participants to complete the activity will get a special gift. Sobrang dami na to, guys, nakakaloka. We get a map and then, ayan. So, a lot of activities in store for everyone. And, medyo madami to, guys. Hindi ko alam kung manatapos ako. But then again, we're just gonna go through each of the brand. I first stopped by Michael Kors. And then, parang may raffle draw sila. And then, kinuha yung stamp ko. And then, yun. Sa other booths naman, merong mga, merong mga parang giveaway na freebies. So, let's check it out. Ang pula-pula ko lang doon. Anyway, let's go. Thank you! We're here at the Lacoste booth. Spin a wheel. Ayan, pwede mag-spin. Ito yung mga winning combination. So, kailangan makuha ko yan, guys. Nag-vlog lang.
For you guys!
Blue! Kailangan red.
Yes, you have to get blue.
Okay, kailangan red, girl!
Same!
Oh no, oh no, oh! We're now here at Hugo Boss.
Yes.
So, we get a scented ribbon, tapos may chocolate sila dito. Ano yan? Gold ba yan? Gold glitters?
It's
Wow!
the same shape as the Boss complete.
Wow!
It's an iconic siya na Boss asset.
For Guerlain, we have pick a prize or free makeover. I think those sa kabila yun. Sige, this one. Ooh! 20% discount on any purchase. Yay! We are here at the La Mer counter. Ayan. So you can get like chocolates over on that counter. And then may wine din, tama ba? Wow, bongga. Ay, si Jail? Jail. Ayan. Let's check out the chocolates, guys. Ayan. Ay, kung hindi lang masakit ang ngipin ko. Pero I think we're gonna take some of these out na lang. We're now here at the Estee Lauder counter and meron silang mga bagong lipsticks. And activity nila dito is parang you kiss the lip, parang ganun, something like that. Yan. Bago nila. Yan, we're here at the Clinique counter and may mga bago silang Pep Start products. Ayan. Now, let's just play this game. Drop lang daw ito tapos malalaman kung... Ay! Alright. Kung ano pwede kong itry. And then, now here at the Canebo counter, now meron silang parang punch-in ko na game. And then, yun, this one. Bait ni ate, two samples. Yay! So I am done with the activities na. Hindi ko na tinapos lahat. Pero I'm here at the Rustan's Beauty Source and I am just looking at some stuff na pwede kong bilhin for the GC kasi. And I saw this one. Oh my gosh. Vanity Basics yung brand niya,
regular
guys.
size.
Regular? Okay. Wow. And then,
Ito yung magnifier.
oh, I love that.
Very good.
Oo nga, no? Super
Pag nagpuput
times
ng
8, no? Ayan. Oh my gosh. Oo nga, girl. True. Alright, guys. So, I made my decision. I am getting the vanity mirror plus the Philips curler. Tinry ko siya actually on myself. And since dual voltage daw siya, pwede siya magamit abroad. So, I'm gonna bring it with me to Korea. So, yun. Kasi ang ginagamit kong pang curl sa buhok talaga yung straightener ko. So, medyo mahirap, diba? Anyway, here's my outfit for today. Sinuot ko na yung galing sa Uniqlo jeans. And then this platform shoes from yung kaninang shop kanina. I'll have the link in the information box. Oh, may free adapter pa ako. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff?
Yeah.
Si Jeff. Wala yung si Jeff dito. Super bait niya. Ang ganda pa ng kilay. Yan, may free adapter tayo. And then, ito yung Philips curler na kukunin ko. That one. Ayan. Love it. I'm at the checkout counter na, guys. I'm so excited na discounted pala yung mirror. So, 3.5 na lang siya. Ay, tapos yung curler, oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. Sobrang ganda ng curl. I love it. So, I know super traffic pa sa labas, guys. So, I'm having dinner here at Kitchitora in Green Glorieta 5. It's a Japanese restaurant. And I got myself, I forgot, something don. Chicken and egg. And then we have iced tea. I am finally home, guys. Hindi ako naka-vlog agad. Pero I am filming my 6th video for today. So, I filmed 5 videos na. I have, I think 3 more to go. Yun, medyo on a roll ako, guys. Kasi nga, I have to work really hard talaga kasi nga next week aalis ako. Kaya kailangan kong matapos yung mga work. Medyo nahihirapan ako magsalita kasi nga yung ngipin ko kapag kapag napapa-S ako, letter S or Z, tumatama yung ngipin. So, oh my God, super sakit talaga. I consulted with my dentist and then tinanong ko kung anong pwede kong inumin na gamot. Bumili ako ng Tramadol ba yun? My goodness. Bumili ako 4, 400 pesos, girl. 100 pesos pala isa nun. Nakakaloka. Pero kailangan talaga gumana yun kasi super sakit talaga. As in, tagos dito. As in, ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Anyway, Mark is here. I'm gonna finish up more work and then we'll call it a night. Ito yung first one. Actually, they are platform shoes. Ayan, ang cute niya. Actually, ginamit ko siya kanina. Okay naman siya. It's my first time like using a platform pair of shoes. Okay naman. I love it. I love the color white. It's very classic looking, di ba? Ang next pair na kinuha ko is the blue one na sinuot ko kanina. Yung tinry-on ko kanina. I love it kasi nga, you know, it's very simple. Pero ang ganda ng, ewan ko, ang ganda ng dating niya. O, diba?